Good morning, this is Sean Malarkey with Tri-State Waterworks, your prompt and proven landscape lighting service professional. We're out here on a beautiful spring morning. You can hear the birds chirping in the background. I want to talk a little bit about landscape lighting. If you have an older system with an incandescent bulb, over time these bulbs will burn out. And when you see one go out, you want to fix it as soon as you can, because what happens is each time a bulb goes out, it causes the voltage within the system to go up just a little bit. And as the higher the voltage goes, the more and more bulbs will burn out on you. So it's kind of like a cascading effect. One goes, next thing you know, you got 2, 3, and then all of a sudden they're all burning out on you. So if you replace the bulb as soon as you see it goes out, it'll help keep the other bulbs lasting longer. A couple things you want to do when you take a bulb out and go for a replacement. You might as well clean the fixture while you got to take it apart. It'll help create a bigger lighting spread. If you take like the cap here, they tend to get dirty from bugs and whatnot. We use Windex. Spray a little Windex on the fixture. Clean it up real simply. Clean the glass, and you're ready. When you insert your new bulb, another good thing to do is to put a little dielectric grease on the section that goes into the socket. Dielectric grease just cuts down on corrosion and keeps the socket from getting, we'll call it rust, but it's corrosion, and getting it all gunked up. So putting that in will increase the overall fixture life. So you just take your new bulb, put it in place, put your cap back on if it's a path light, if it's another type of light, whatever, however you get into it, just have to put it, reassemble it, and move on to your next fixture. It's a really simple process, and by keeping on top of it, all of your bulbs will last longer and your landscape will look beautiful at nighttime. Thanks for listening. This is Sean with Tri-State Waterworks.